Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about how we can perform drag and drop in Selenium. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. In some of the applications, we will be having something called drag from one place to another place. You have to drag and then drop it there. If you have any of the images, okay, in certain images you just need to pull and then put it somewhere else. Okay, so in that case, how you can perform this drag and then drop from one location to another location? So that is what we are going to learn. In the previous video we learned certain other mouse actions like double click, right click, right, everything. So here we have to perform drag from one place to, and then we have to drop it in another place. For that, what we need to do is, here we have to remember two things. One, one is the target element. What is the target element? So this is the target element. So we need to identify the target element, and then we also have to identify the uh, where we have to drop it. Okay, the destination. Okay, so we have to identify both source from where we have to move and where we have to drop. So drag element and then drop element. We have to identify both of this, and then we have to perform the drag and drop. So let's see how we can do that. Let's go to Eclipse and then create a new, let's say, class drag and drop. Let's copy some code here just to launch the application. So yes. So what we have to do is, first we need to identify both the source and the target element, right? So but before that we will create the actions object, new actions. So and then pass this driver instance, and let's import. So what we have to do is we need to identify the locator first of both source and then the target element. So here we have ID draggable. Okay, so let's write it. Let's say driver dot find element by dot ID. So this is the ID, and we'll store it in web element. Let's say drag, and then we will import web element. After this, we need to identify the target also. So this is the target where we need to drop. So we have this ID. So here also, let's say web element drop is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID. So this is the ID. So after this, what we need to do is, so we already have created the object of actions class, and then type action dot drag and drop. So this is the method that we will use to drag from one position to and then drop it. Okay, so we have two methods. One is drag and drop, just simply from the source to target we will drag and then drop. So let's use this. Okay, and then dot perform. Okay, remember you need to use the perform, otherwise you won't be able to perform the action. So let's run this. So we want this target element, okay, from source to be moved to target element. Let's see how it runs. Yes, do you see, it has dragged and then dropped this to another location. So this is how drag and drop works. So this was, I hope it was so easy to perform drag and drop. Okay, so you can use other applications as well, but if you're a beginner, just try to stick on to the basic application so you will understand the concepts better, and then you can perform on the different applications also. So I'll also leave this link to the application, demo or dummy application, in the description. Please check that, and then you can let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or doubts. Hope you learned how we can perform drag and drop from one location to another location in Selenium. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.